Today I'm shoveling wood chips and talking some about the Swedish election, so stay tuned. First, I want to thank all of you 3,100 that have subscribed to my channel. I'm very grateful to have you all on my channel. And if you aren't a subscriber yet, welcome to my channel. My name is Andreas. Here on the channel you can follow our journey to a more sustainable way of life. If you are interested in homesteading, prepping, gardening, adventure and so on, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a thing. Now back to the content of this video. About a week ago I helped my brother-in-law to clean up their backyard, and I chipped all the small trees and bushes and brought the wood chips to our urban homestead. I'm developing a back to Eden garden here. I know that it's best with decomposed wood chips, therefore they will just cover the ground for a year or two before I start growing in them. This is the last load I need to shovel into the garden. It's always nice to see other people work, so please stick around. Let's talk politics. The Swedish election is coming up in about a week. Almost all the politicians are talking trash about the other parties. There are foreign and domestic campaigns trying to affect the outcome of the election. I can't remember that any election campaign has been like this before. There are a lot of things that isn't true covered by both media and also by influencers on social media. And if it's true, it gets twisted around. It's important that we see through this and vote for the parties that we believe is the best for Sweden. There has just been released a documentary that is called The Swedish Elephant. There are no subtitles in English on YouTube, but it's available on Vimeo. If you think you know the truth about Sweden, then you need to see this documentary. It was supposed to be broadcasted on Swedish television, but suddenly it won't be, and I wonder why. I got a view of Sweden, and it's of course based on where I'm located. Sweden is a very long country from north to south, and everything varies a lot locally. Do you got any questions about Sweden and the Swedish election? Please leave them down in the comments. I will answer all of the questions. So on the 9th of September it's time to vote for the future of Sweden. Make a wise choice and vote for the party that you believe will take Sweden forward. That's it for this week. I hope I will be able to bring something more interesting than shoveling wood chips and talking politics next week. See you down in the comments.
If you haven't subscribed already, do so by clicking down there on the Swedish flag, and then you can also click on the little bell icon up there, and then you'll get notified when I put up new videos. And if you want to watch another video, I got one over there for you.